Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to activate voice command in Samsung Galaxy A05 device. For this, all you guys have to do just go to Google and here on the Google account, just click here. After that, go to settings. So in setting, as you guys see, we have option of Google Assistant. Just click on Google Assistant. After that, click on Hey Google and voice match. Now enable it and now set it by your voice. Just click more and then click I agree. Again click more and then click I agree. After that repeat all the things that Google gave you. Click on not now and that's it. Now as you guys see, the Hey Google command is now active. Okay, now time to check. Hey Google, turn on the settings. So as you see, it is working accurately, and this is how we can enable or activate voice command in Samsung Galaxy A05. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.